In this lecture, we are continuing where we stopped in the previous one. The topic, blockchain nodes. In the previous lecture, we were talking about different networks. In particular, about real blockchain implementations and just simulations where mining happens instantaneously. The first nodes I want to talk about are Parity and Go Ethereum, or just Geth. The Ethereum protocol was implemented in several different languages just to have it independently developed in a redundant way. It was also developed in other languages, but currently most famous ones are Parity, which was coded in Rust, and Go Ethereum or Geth, which was programmed in Go. Go Ethereum, for example, can do two things, mainly. It can connect to other blockchain nodes and networks, like the Rinkeby network or Ropsten or the mainnet, so you can run a full node with Geth. But you can also create your own local blockchain with Go Ethereum, which is still a full node, but completely encapsulated and separated from the other networks. Geth can do one more thing. It's also a key store. That means it can store and create private keys and therefore accounts. The other tools that are important are the tools Ganache and the Truffle Development Console. Both came as a result of the so-called Test RPC. I personally think that Test RPC is still the better name, as it's clear there is an RPC which is for testing. But it is only for testing and nothing else. From a usage standpoint, they react exactly the same as a full node would react, just nothing is persistent and mining happens immediately. Ganache was built to help developers develop and test their code. It is an in-memory blockchain simulation. It doesn't store anything persistent on the hard drive. Mining is also simulated, as I said before. While with full nodes like Geth, you have to wait for a transaction to be mined, which happens every minute or every half minute. With Ganache or Test RPC, the transaction is mined immediately. That means that unit testing is a breeze and really helps with test-driven development. So here's your takeaway from the last two lectures. There are different networks, such as the real Ethereum mainnet. To test your application with a broader audience, there are separate networks, such as the Rinkeby or Ropsten test network. But there are also local blockchain nodes and in-memory blockchain simulation, like Ganache, which are perfect for development.